And new tonight, we've learned a Houston midwife accused of performing illegal abortions has been indicted on 15 new felonies.
Yeah, the development first reported by our partners at the Houston Chronicle was revealed in a civil brief filed by her team on Friday.
ABC 13's Jessica Willie has the update on this unprecedented case.
Maria Rojas was the first person charged under the state's law basically banning abortions in Texas. It was big news in March. Her team calling the allegations baseless. The state saying there was a patient who thought Rojas was a doctor and gave her abortion-inducing pills. Well, now she faces more charges as she continues to fight to get her clinics reopened. Once advertised as a family practice, Clinical Waller has been shut down since March. One of 3 clinics, the state says, operated by Maria Rojas and ordered closed after allegations she was performing illegal abortions and that she and her staff were practicing medicine without a license. 6 months later, Rojas is still fighting to reopen. In a brief filed on Friday, Rojas's civil team says that the state's allegations about practicing medicine are unsupported by pleadings or evidence. And as far as abortions, that its investigator, quote, jumped to wild conclusions after overseeing a slipshod investigation. Rojas was the first person in Texas charged and arrested under the 2021 law that essentially bans abortions. And online records show in June she picked up 15 additional felony charges in Waller County, 12 for practicing medicine and 3 related to performing abortion. Her team's court filing arguing against the clinic's closures takes issue with the lack of fanfare. Quote, the state has continued to trample on Mrs. Rojas's rights, never mentioning a 15-count indictment, it reads, including 12 counts for an offense they emphasize that doesn't apply to her. In June, the state argued that the clinics should remain closed because Rojas presented no evidence to disprove the abortion allegations, and that during a March hearing, she invoked the Fifth Amendment over 150 times. Rojas, whose license as a midwife has since been suspended, was arrested after the state says she attempted to perform an abortion for money. Her criminal attorney tells ABC 13 she is still awaiting discovery in the case. A status hearing is scheduled for later this month. Her appeal on the injunction that closed her clinics is pending. Jessica Willie, ABC 13 Eyewitness News.